Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm glad you could join us again. In this video, we will discuss 15-minute workout routines suitable for all ages. These are exercises you can do at home without any special equipment. So, don't miss out on this. Why should we work out at home? The main reasons are convenience and flexibility. You can do it anytime without having to go to the gym. So, let's get started. First, let's begin with some warm-up exercises. These are important to prevent injuries and prepare your body for the workout. Let's do some simple warm-up exercises like jumping jacks, shoulder rotations, and hip movements. Now, we'll move on to cardio exercises. These will help elevate your heart rate and burn calories. Let's start with jogging in place for 2 minutes. After cardio, let's focus on strength training. This will help you strengthen your muscles. For this, we'll be doing push-ups, squats, and planks. We'll show you how to do them correctly. Stretching is crucial to maintain body flexibility. Let's do some stretching exercises like touching your toes, back stretches, and shoulder rotations. Finally, don't forget to cool down your muscles and take some deep breaths. This will help you relax and reduce tension. That's it, a 15-minute workout routine suitable for all ages. Remember, consistency is the key to success. Do these exercises a few times a week and you'll see positive changes in your health and fitness. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our other videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.